Hello traders, the title of the video is what is a trade idea software? The trade idea software is a trading software that allows professional traders, retail traders, institutional investors to pinpoint a high probability trading setup in real time. All right, so whether the market is open or not, the trade idea software will allow you to find high probability trading software, trading a setup. As I said to trader before, without a valid trading setup, there is no winning a trade. When one is looking for trading signal, traders very often will go and look for trading signal all over the place instead of spending their time looking for a trading setup. The reason why I'm recommending the Trade Idea software, the link is in the description section. Check it out. Don't get it somewhere else. Check the link in the description section. The reason why I recommend the Trade Idea is because it's so important for traders to start on the right foot. The right foot means that starting with the high probability trading setup and then implementing a top-down trading method. The Trade Idea uses an artificial intelligence that they call Holy. That artificial intelligence is polishing, okay, the trading setup. So we find this trading setup, you adjust it, you will look at it, is it a suitable setup to recommend at this time of the day? So depending on the market environment, whether economy news, it will recommend the most appropriate high probability trading setup that is suitable for that period of the market. So it's so beautiful, it's so great that there is a tool that because some traders do not know how to find for themselves high probability trading setup. So if you want to get on board, come to our website at www.dayprotrade.com. This banner here is about trade idea. And this one also here, I put them there at the home page. And anytime you remember you want to join them, come here. And so we can also get a bit of commission. Here it is again at www.stochastic-money.com. I put the banner here for you. Also the banner is here and it's also here. Those are not adverts, okay? If you go to www.24elliottwave.com, you say, George, I remember now I'm ready for it. You come to any of our website. This is 24elliottwaves.com. I'll put the link in the description section for you. And okay, those are the banner I put there, the first one here, and also the first one, okay, right here. All right, from there, okay, you can join, okay, all right, the trade idea. So important for traders, okay, to start with a high probability trading setup. All right, so once you find a high probability trading setup, you will now implement a top-down trading method. If you see on this chart here, you see this trailer here, this one here, all right, see this stock, all right, Pfizer stock, and did break above, you see here, it breaks above that very, very important trend line, and then he retests it here. Now, what is happening here is also because this was the prior high. So the price is retesting a prior high, that zone along the trend line, and also retesting the trend line. This is one example of a high probability trading setup. Did you know that before? And here it is in roundup. I draw all this trend line all over the place. See the price now on the edge of a trend line. Now, stay with me as I'm showing you more about what is happening here. I'm going to put a horizontal line there. You see the intersection between the line that I'm going to color now into red. All right, pay attention to that. You see, is corresponding, that resistance that I'm showing you now, in fact I can push it a little bit more up here, is corresponding to that red line I'm putting on my chart, is corresponding to this resistance here. The zone, you see this resistance here. Okay, the price went out, it's a resistance zone. And the intersection between one horizontal line and that trend line is a hotspot trading zone. Now, trading software, trading algorithm are able to spot those hotspot trading zones. That's why when they push it up, they recognize that there is a hotspot trading zone. Professionals are taking a bit of profit there. This is excellent place for a day trader during, you see this particular time, you see on the monthly chart, go to the daily chart. See, so here this is it. Now this is very interesting scenario. From there, now we have 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. So what the price did after hitting that hot spot trading zone? Are you with me? All right. Now the trend line is broken, and the price, here it is. All right. Here it is. So it breaks below that trend line, and it retests here. All right. And the trend line is broken. So instead of just going around looking for trading signal all over the place from left to right, from the morning to the evening, use the trade idea or learn to identify hot spot trading zone. I cannot overstress the fact that if one is involved in a financial market, whether you're an investor, there are fundamental setup, there are market environment, there are scenarios, whether you are using Fibonacci or Elliott wave, those are set up with whatever you call it. If you are struggling or you need help, use the trade idea. So go to any of our website, www.dayprotrader.com. The banner is here for you. The banner is also here. www.stochastic-magic.com. I put the banner at the top for you there. www.24 Elliott wave. The banner is there. The banner is there. All right. Hope this helps. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. This is about what is a trade idea software, a trading software that allows professional and ordinary traders to uncover high probability trading setup that offers excellent risk reward ratio. Thank you for watching.